Hello students, very good morning all of you. Today topic also chemical properties of alkanes, and under that topic uh, the first characteristic here isomerization. In previous video we have also already studied some other properties. Yeah, we can say also chemical properties of alkanes. Now also that is also chemical property isomerization. Isomerization means an alkane on heating in the presence of an anhydrous and hydrous aluminum chloride and hydrogen chloride gas isomerized to branched chain alkanes. It means they will form the branch chain alkane, and major products are given also given is here. We are written in the reaction, but some also minor product will be made there, yeah, formed there, but in organic chemistry or organic chemical reaction we can't write in the there, and we leave that product in a minor product. We just mention here only a major product. Now reaction is here CH3 CH2 CH3 CH2 का whole 4 CH3 anhydrous AlCl3 NN chloride, yeah, Cl HCl. Then on heating, then from the CH3 CH CH3 and CH2 go twice CH3, their name is the 2-methyl pentane, plus CH3 CH2 CH CH3 CH2 CH3, their name is the 3-methyl pentane, right? So that is called isomerization, because they are forming the branch chain form, right? So that is called a isomerization. Next properties, chemical properties of alkane is aromatization. Aromatization means alkanes convert into the aromatic compound, or aromatic organic compound like a benzene or like that. So that is called a aromatization, yeah, also called a reform reaction. Aromatization, yeah, reform reaction. In this reaction, you know that is the n-hexane. Hexane means they have a 6 carbon, and yeah, more carbon atoms on heating in the 773 degree Kelvin, and also maintain the pressure 10 to 20 atmospheric pressure. Also here, in presence of the oxides of vanadium, and yeah, chromium oxide also, molybdenum oxide also here, over aluminum, Al2 oxide, aluminum oxide also, yeah, that is also called a alumina, get dehydrogenated. That is dehydrated means releasing the hydrogen, and cyclized to cyclization. Cyclization means cyclized to benzene, and its homologous benzene, yeah, they are homologous. This reaction is called aromatization. Yeah, we can say also reforming, right? So first that form, that the and hexane, they have a 6 carbon atom compound, and on these are the catalyst in chromium oxide, vanadium oxide, molybdenum oxide, yeah, alumina, yeah, aluminum oxide on high temperature 773 Kelvin, and maintain atmospheric pressure in 10 to 20 atmospheric pressure, and that is the cyclization. And also dehydrogenation means releasing the hydrogen gas, yeah, hydrogen atom dihydrogen, and that form a cyclohexane. First they will form a cyclohexane, that is cyclic form. Then cyclic form, that is also unstable. Then again that form the again dehydrogenation. So then that is form a benzene ring, yeah, aromatic compound. So that process is called a aromatization. And there are going on the dehydrogenation for continuous dehydrogenation process. First n-hexane dehydrogenase into the cyclohexane, then again cyclohexane dehydrogenase into benzene, right? So that is a aromatase process. Next, chemical properties of alkane is reaction with steam. If is reaction means alkane react with the steam. So what will happen there? So now here also methane reacts with the alkene, that is the steam H2O in the vapor form in a steam in a on heating 1273 Kelvin temperature. On heating that uh, presence of nickel catalyst that form a carbon monoxide and release also hydrogen gas. So that is the effect of the steam, reaction of the steam in the alkane. And this method is also used for the industrial preparation. This method is used also in industrial preparation of dihydrogen gas. Also it is preparation of dihydrogen gas in industrial industries. Right. Next, chemical property of alkane is pyrolysis. Pyrolysis means cracking. Cracking means higher number of the carbon number of the atom in alkane, higher alkane split segment into the small alkane compound, hydrocarbon compound. So that process known as a pyrolysis. Here you know that higher alkane on heating in the like that C6H14, that is the hexane, on heating 773 Kelvin, and then that from the different type of the product, different type of segment like a C6H12 plus releasing H2 gas, also C4H8, that is the alkene, plus C2H6 alkane. Right. Now next C3H6, that is the alkene, and C2H4, both are the alkene hydrocarbon compound plus CH4 methane. Right. So these are the this process known as a pyrolysis. Right. And also that process application of heat, that is called a pyrolysis. Again, process of alkane is believed to be a free radical, and also preparation of oil gas, and also that process pyrolysis used in the preparation of oil gas or petrol gas from the kerosene oil. Petrol involves the principle of pyrolysis. It means like there also, because dodecane, that is the dodecane C12H26, that is called a dodecane. That is the constituent of the constituents of the kerosene oil. On palladium, platinum, nickel, these are the catalysts on temperature height of 973 Kelvin, that gives a mixture of heptane, that is the gives a mixture of heptane plus pentene and plus other products. So that process also called a pyrolysis. Right. So I hope understand, because we have studied about the isomerization, aromatization, reaction with steam, and pyrolysis. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and also share, subscribe, comment and like also. Thank you.